Why the Git pull is important and how this becomes handy. For example, I have a project here. This is the files and folders, and I have opened this in my text editor, and this is the look and feel of this web page, and this is the GitHub pages. Anyways, these two are the same. Let me close one of them, and I already have pushed all these commits, and the working tree is clean. So now imagine that you are working in a team of 5 members, and you went to a vacation for a few days, and in the meantime the rest of the 4 team members make some progress to these projects and push their progress to GitHub. So if you come back from vacation, you should not start from the scratch or where you left off. So your first step should be to grab all the latest code from GitHub and start from there. So I'm trying to make this process very simple. So I'm not going to log in from my other account or or a different terminal. Let's create a add readme file. So this will work in the same vein. For example, this and just whatever this and click on commit. So that means you added a new file on using the GitHub repository and not using this terminal or Git Bash or Mac terminal. So that means your repository contains work, and this is not exactly same as your local project. I mean this one. So now if you make some edits, for example, if I save this and if I check the Git status, I should say I modified a WAV file. Let's uh, add this, test this file and make and try to push this. So you can add git add dash a instead of adding git add dash a or and next to in the next command git commit dash m. You can combine these two commands like this: git commit am and type your custom messages here, and this is the same as the other two process. Anyways, to make this process simple, let me go through this simplest one. So git add dash a, this will add all these files. Now if you check this git status, you don't have to check this git status every time. I am just showing you. This is the green line that says it's test, and now before pushing you have to make commit git commit updated index.html and git commit dash m space dash m. So hit enter, and now if you check it status, you will see that branch master is working tree is clean, and now you are ready to push. But if I try to push this, it will show me an error because my repository contains the latest work. So this is not matching with mine. So if I try to push git push origin master, so here is the error message. It's rejected because you can read this full message, but all this is saying that this repository contains works. So if you try to do this, use good Git pull or other commands. So our step should be taking this all this recent work to our computer. So git pull origin master, that means it's pulling everything from the master means this GitHub repository, and not to mention it could be Bitbucket or GitLab or anything. Anyways, and hit enter, and now if I add more lines and save, and if I git commit Now, if I put the command line and git commit dash am hello world 123 and git push origin master. So this will work just as like you normally do. This is how this git pull becomes very handy when the repository contains work.